Okay, so there's going to be times within your automations where you want to determine the state of something before you make decisions based on the state of something. For example, if I open up this model and I want to see if my key feature is suppressed and then make a decision based on that, that's very easy to do with a Nitro-CELL. It requires you to basically have an execution worksheet. We're going to select our feature our feature object type. We're going to say get state, and by default, it's going to take the active model that's currently displayed within the Creo session. You can also specify a specific model within Creo session to get the information from. The source object we're going to use is, let's say I want to get the key feature that's in this model. So if you look in my feature tree here, you can see that we have a feature called key. It's currently suppressed. I'm going to drop this data into someplace else. So where I'm going to put it is another worksheet called process model. And the target worksheet location that I'm going to write to is actually going to be E8, which I've pre-highlighted here. So if I type in E8, and you can also use a named reference for this. So when I press the do it button, it'll execute the do it function, the do stuff tab, which has our get state request, and then it drops the result of that in our target cell. So you can see that that particular feature is currently suppressed. If I change the state of that to resume it and then run it again, you'll notice that the current state is active. Now, based on that piece of information right there, we can add other logic through this worksheet to make other decisions, like to resume children or suppress or delete or whatever we want to do. But that's basically how the function works.